Hey guys, welcome back to Two Guys Kitchen, and I'm Rob, and of course Max is behind the camera today, and we're going to be doing a trick with a skillet that you might not know. So let's go. Okay, so we're back at the lake house in the kitchen. We're doing up some spaghetti sauce. You know, and obviously anyone that's doing spaghetti sauces knows it does get messy. Obviously, especially for you guys that cook it on high, never do it. So a lot of times with your spoon, you'll end up putting it into a kitchen cradle. That's what Max calls it because he's fancy. But it's a kitchen cradle or a spoon cradle, whatever you want to call it. But but transferring your spoon to the cradle actually will make a mess. You get drips everywhere, and who wants a drip? Now, a lot of people will also use a napkin, and napkins, just tend to lay around. It also makes a mess, although you can wipe up the napkin with a napkin. So, with this idea is basically with your pan. There's always a hole here. The hole is usually used for hanging up your pots, on a pot rack. What you can do, and what I've learned a long time ago, you just tap your spoon, you just drop it in there and let it drip into the pan. Super easy, and of course with the cleanup, you gotta love it. So either way, that's my tip for the day. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I will catch you later.